Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. I hope you subscribe and you join the family. And also if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, we're going to make some honey and soy chicken. A very easy chicken recipe that you can make in no time, and yeah, it's just easy to make. So we're going to add our spices. So I used about 8 chicken pieces, and I added salt, chicken spice and black pepper, and then I just mixed it together. And then after mixing, I just drizzled some honey and I continued to mix again just like that. And then after that, I just set it aside. So now we're just gonna pour the honey and soy sauce into a bowl. I got mine from Checkers. So yeah, you're just gonna pour it in a bowl, and you're gonna add about a tablespoon of garlic and ginger. You can skip this part, it's totally optional. And you're also just gonna add some parsley, and you're gonna mix everything together. So this is the sauce that you're gonna use to pour on the chicken. I just added a few things to it. So once you're done mixing, then you're just gonna pour all of the sauce on your chicken just like that, and you're just gonna mix and make sure that all the chicken pieces are fully coated in this sauce. This sauce, guys, is really nice. You have to make sure that all the chicken pieces are coated in sauce. And if you've got more time, you can just let it marinate in the sauce for a few hours, and then you can bake it. So then after that, I just took foil because I didn't want to make my pan dirty, and then I added the chicken onto the tray, and then I had some remaining sauce in the bowl, so I just added that on top of the chicken pieces just like that. And then after I've added all the sauce, you're gonna see I'm gonna add it in the oven, and we're gonna bake it in the oven for about 30 minutes at 170, anywhere from 160 to 180 degrees, and you're just gonna bake it. So after 30 minutes, your chicken should look something like this. And yeah, guys, it turned out so nice. It was delicious. I enjoyed it. I hope you try the recipe and you let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.